I used to think bacon was simple. Put it in a hot pan, wait a few minutes, and enjoy the smell filling the kitchen. But during a conversation with a nutrition researcher, I learned something surprising. The problem is rarely bacon itself. The real issue is how people cook and eat it every day. That pushed me to examine the small mistakes many of us repeat without thinking. The first mistake is cooking bacon at very high heat. Extreme heat can cause the fat and proteins to break down quickly. Research discussed by the National Institutes of Health explains that overheating processed meats may produce compounds the body does not benefit from. A slower cooking method allows fat to render gradually and reduces burning. The second mistake is eating large portions too often. Bacon contains protein, but also significant sodium and saturated fat. The Mayo Clinic notes that processed meats should be eaten in moderation within a balanced diet. In simple terms, bacon can be part of a meal, not the entire meal. The third mistake is ignoring balance on the plate. Many people eat bacon with refined bread and sugary sauces. Adding vegetables, eggs, or whole grains creates a more stable meal. This balance helps the body regulate energy after eating. The fourth mistake is storing cooked bacon incorrectly. The World Health Organization highlights that cooked foods left too long at room temperature may allow bacteria to grow. Refrigeration soon after cooking helps maintain food safety. The fifth mistake is burning the bacon until it becomes very dark. A crispy texture is fine, but heavily charred meat may contain compounds that nutrition experts recommend limiting. The sixth mistake is relying on bacon as a daily breakfast habit. Variety in protein sources such as fish, beans, eggs, or yogurt provides a wider range of nutrients. Nutrition works best when the diet includes different food groups. Scientifically speaking, the body processes proteins and fats through enzymes that break them into amino acids and fatty acids for energy and repair. The key is balance and portion control. Food choices affect everyone differently depending on lifestyle and health conditions. Moderation always matters. Some diets may require adjustments. Consult a doctor before major diet changes. When I changed my habits, I did something simple. Bacon became an occasional ingredient instead of the main event. I cooked it slower and paired it with vegetables or eggs. The meal still tasted great, but it felt lighter and more balanced. Sometimes health improvements begin with small kitchen decisions. If this helped you, tap like below. Small changes today build better habits tomorrow.